Do you miss the old Instagram logo? Honestly, a lot of people think the classic Instagram icon looked way better than the colorful one we have today. If you're using a Samsung phone, I've got good news. You can bring back the old Instagram logo and use it as your app icon in just a few minutes. Here's how. First, open Google Search and download an image of the old Instagram logo. Save it to your phone's gallery because we'll need it later. Next, open the GoodLock app. If your Samsung device doesn't support GoodLock, you can use FineLock instead. They work in a very similar way. Inside GoodLock, install the module called Theme Park, then launch it. Once Theme Park is open, tap on the Icon menu. After that, tap Create New. Now tap the second button in the top right corner to display all installed apps on your phone. Find Instagram in the list and tap on it. Choose the Gallery option to replace the current icon. Then select the old Instagram logo image that you downloaded earlier. When you're happy with the result, tap the Save icon in the top right corner. And by the way, you can customize other app icons too if you want. Enter a name for your new icon pack and tap OK. After it has been saved, select your newly created icon pack and tap Apply. That's it! Your Instagram app should now be showing the classic old-school logo on your home screen. Pretty cool, right? Now your Instagram icon has that nostalgic, classic look again. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Which Instagram logo do you prefer, the old one or the current one? See you in the next video!